Good morning. I am Dr. Arvind Poswal from Delhi, India. Thanks for attending this webinar. First of all, I am not selling you anything. Just giving you any help you need from me for free, just like driving license. The first lesson. In fact, I have to make a script because I am not an actor. So, the first lesson for all of you is that every man wearing a white coat. See, first lesson, every man wearing a white coat is not a doctor. That is a subconscious lock that has been fixed in our minds. If he or she is wearing a doctor's coat, they must be doctors, and doctors will do no harm to the patient. So first open that lock. Open that lock. I am wearing a tweed jacket. Am I a professor? So, lesson number 2. I am a doctor. I am an ex-army doctor. Okay? So since I am not a born actor, I have painstakingly written the script to read it out to you. So please listen. Now today we will be talking about the truth behind the art of hair transplant. Hair transplant is primarily an art, with surgery being the brush and your scalp being the canvas. Now how bad it will feel if you bought a painting, a modern art painting, for whatever amount, and then you came to know, someone later tells you that this was just a random doodle drawn by my child. So learning the truth behind the art and mushrooming of so many so-called hair transplant artists is what we will talk about today. Now art needs skill, patience, training. Similarly, just like an eye surgeon, for example, a doctor learns 2 to 3 years at least under an expert before being allowed to claim that he can perform eye surgery. Now this is designer hairlines performed if you do it this way. This is not my patient, but this is the hairline which we can give. This is, again, you can guess, this is not my patient. This gentleman came, brought the picture and said, I want this hairline. We can do. This is art. Hair transplant is an art. Choose the celebrity you wish and we will make. But unfortunately, that doesn't happen in the field of hair transplant. What happens? This is what they do, and this they say is hair transplant, because world over, now see, this is important. The fraud. Remember this. World over, any doctor with whatever specialty he has can claim to be a hair transplant expert. Now think, the best artists or surgeons charge more unless they are doing charity. Now these mushrooming clinics or doctors, they more offer work at dirt cheap prices because they want you as their guinea pig. That in turn leads to disastrous outcomes. And my favorite field of hair transplant gets a bad name. Now you want the proof. Okay, the proof. If hair transplant was taught in any medical college in the world, then you would have gone to the professor of the concerned department and told him that take me as a volunteer patient, and you would have got your hair transplant for free. Now this is hair transplant, so called, not my patient. This, they say, unlimited hair transplant. The person cannot look into his own face. Again, unlimited transplant. And you think doctors will do no harm. This is what they have done to a patient. And then, after having done that, then they come to us and then we repair. So my request is to do some research so that we do not have to repair. Just because you are going after cheap, that okay, unlimited hair transplant in very little money, and then you have to come here to get repaired. So, since hair are worth more than diamonds, you should not do this. I cannot transplant anyone else's hair to you. So once those hair, if someone damages and they do not grow, then you are at a loss. Not only in India. This is a businessman tycoon, a German businessman tycoon. He went to, you can see the number of scars. He went to USA and got hair transplant done 3 times. And this is all he got. Yes, gentlemen, this is all. Then he came to us. Then we did a record-breaking transplant. Why I say a record-breaking transplant? Because this is 6,800 grafts from the beard alone. And we filled his head as much as we could, and he is happy now. Now we come to United States of America once again. And what happens when doctors read on YouTube? This. Permanent hair removal. This patient went to get a hair transplant and then they removed it. Amazing. And what did he get in return? Just this much. This is what happens when YouTube becomes the teacher of modern medicine. Now we come to Europe. Now see this, what do you think they were doing? What they doing? Playing some games? Snake and ladder? So traumatized. Then we repaired. But please, for your own sake, do proper research. I do not know, say, come only to me. I cannot do everyone's hair transplant. And I am expensive. Okay? I am not cheap or something, but I am the best. Proof. This is what a European plastic surgeon did. What did he do? He took a flap from here and put it like this. Took a flap from here, put it like this. And then when the person went more bald, this is what happened. This was dubbed the impossible hair transplant repair case. All doctors gave up their hands that we cannot repair this man forever. But we did. Like this. See the picture? This is the best we could. Chest hair, beard hair, all of them. And now he is happy. And you can see his testimonial, his video on our website, fusehair.com. Yes, FUSEHAIR.com. C-O-N. Don't be like this. Yes, of course, foreigners come to us. Indians think that America or London is the destination for cosmetic surgery, but the inventor of modern hair transplant is an Indian, and this is the proof. Now, next time we'll talk about acid attack victims. Thankfully, now they are happily married. So what I am going to give you as a gift for attending this webinar is that you can ask me any number of questions on WhatsApp and I'll answer you. Plus, if you come to us, we will give you for free, just like you go to a car showroom, you take a trial. So we'll give you for free grafts, hair grafts, but not totally free. We'll take our minimal charges which we have. Okay? And see for yourself, if you are totally bald, we grow some hair, see for yourself and then ask any other doctor. If you can do the same for less, go ahead. That's my gift number one. My gift number two is to show you my clinic and give you a promo code so that you'll get a discount. Now, let me show you my clinic. Just getting you familiar with myself. Oh, yes, these are the awards. But you are not bothered about awards. Remember, what you are bothered about is how I can help you. And these mean nothing. So many actors mean nothing. The next time when you come, you ask for this. Because in our research, we have seen that hair loss is occurring at a younger and younger age in more and more people. And the lucky coupon is the word detox. You come here and say detox and you get free consultation and free gift of grafts. Thank you very much for today.